first thought that went through my mind, the first strike I took was, oh, please don't let me die.
But these guys don't die. They don't even get hurt.
We're converting them.
When you stand up and get ready to take a blow, you have the confidence that you can accept the blow.
As a point of interest, none of my men wear protection in the groin. None.
After all, you wouldn't want your attacker to get injured.
That hurt my foot.
Most of the time after somebody strikes you, especially to the testicles or to the throat, they're just amazed.
Count NFL Hall of Famer Randy White among them.
About broke my hand. Now you talk about a humbling experience. That is a humbling experience for anybody.
Humbling for anyone but a master of combat key, that is.
I know that I like taking the blows.
Luckily,
Yeah, how'd that feel?
these SMU football players enjoy giving them.
You'd think that at least you'd suffer from soft tissue injury or something like that, but it's a total body thing.
Ron and his students finish up another successful demonstration.
Are you done after this, Mike? You have any more hits?
I think I gotta kick Kirby in the throat again.
Which leads us to wonder, what kind of person does it take to learn the art of combat key?
Maybe out of every 100 people, I get one person that can do key. The other 99, for some reason or another, are afraid.
We can't imagine why they'd be afraid. But for the courageous key masters that aren't, these brave souls put the ow in outrageous behavior.
Yeah, how'd that feel? Good.